Hello, Michael. How are you today?
Hi. Well, like usual, quite tired and burnt out. I feel like everyone's succeeding and I'm stuck. I feel like I should change something. I need to turn my life around.
And are you doing anything about it? What are you doing about it?
Well, I'm waiting for the winds of change to blow into my sails.
Oh, waiting for a miracle to happen. Yeah? How about actually doing something towards it? Do you see yourself doing anything?
Well, like I said, I'm waiting.
Oh, and you think that's doing something? Hoping, praying, perhaps even meditating, yeah?
Yes, it is. It's all I can afford right now.
Okay, well, I don't think that's doing something. To achieve something, you have to get out of your comfort zone.
I don't really feel like it, to be honest. I'm really tired. I have stressful work, family affairs, lots of stuff on my mind. And, besides, in this economy, I can barely afford my usual holidays.
Isn't it like that since 2012 for you?
Yeah, well, if it's meant to be, it will happen someday.
Ooh, I think with that attitude, you're gonna have to wait a long time. It might not even happen at all.
Well, actually, I hope it will happen soon because I'm ready. I've been thinking. I have lots of ideas and plans, and at this rate, I'm gonna retire before something happens. I wish something would happen without me lifting a finger.
Great. I see this person is very positive. I'm really good in recognizing some needs and little mistakes we do in life. If we want to achieve something, we really need to do a lot more than Michael does, usually, since 2012. That's why we are here today, because I get this almost every time I do consultation in my medical practice as a nurse prescriber in medical aesthetics. I consult my girls, they working towards more beautiful faces, more beautiful healthy skin, and what's missing usually is a healthy and happy life. Now, it's not very easy to get through the challenges if you are on your own. That's why we want to invite you to join us on a retreat. Because self-talking, it's not enough. Only positive attitude, it's not enough. We need a couple of days. We need to get out of the routine. We need to go through challenges. And if you are on your own, it's not easy. So, Michael here is greatly skilled, but please tell us yourself.
Hi, so my name is Michael and I'm here to actually help you do all that, make those changes while making it enjoyable, while
Fun.
making it fun and make you comfortable doing it.
Great. This is through one very surprising activity called LARP, Live Action Role Playing, who he is a specialist in. And what does it do to your brain?
Yes, so these are this is a sort of games that boost your creativity, that makes you actually helps you get out of your comfort zone, that helps you get different point of view of any challenge of anything that happens in your life. Basically helps you feel like a different person.
Exactly. This is something that you wouldn't expect while playing a different role. You actually realize what you are able to do, and although it's because it's just fun doing it, you are allowed to do whatever you want, and the ideas you get during this game are very surprising. I was amazed by this game.
It helps thinking out of the box.
Exactly. And most of the people that were on a retreat with us last year, I think they had a great fun and discovered different side of themselves. And through this, thanks to that, they are achieving today much more than they would expect a year. So I'm working as a nurse for longer than 30 years, and I'm working with my patients one-to-one. That's why I'm really skilled in reading people. My interest is also psychology, so I can define actually what are little mistakes we're doing in life. I'm interested strictly in a human body, biology, also animals. But Michael here, you are interested also in history.
Yes, that's true. I really love history, and there is one single simple learning that we can get from it, which is people don't really learn from the past, from the mistakes, actually from others, from what others did, and from the results they got. Everyone knows the saying that history likes to repeat itself. Well, why? It's because people don't really learn from it.
Wow, this is great insight, and we see it also in everyday life. Repeating the same patterns give you the same results. If I repeat a treatment, doing it in the same way, I will achieve the same results. If I add something to it or take away something, the results gonna be totally different. And this is exactly what we are learning on a retreat. This is what we want to help you achieve. To get through the challenges, to make little changes in your life, little switch in your mind, which helps automatically switch the emotions. It helps to switch thinking. Basically, we are relearning how to think about ourselves, the world, and others, and this is all resulting in achieving different, more what we want.
Yeah, because it's all very simple to just talk about it, to even listen about it, to learn, from the comfort of your own home. But then actually putting it into practice is the hard step. And without proper guidance, many people just don't, because they are afraid, they are worried, they don't know exactly what to do. And that's what we really want to help you with, to show you the way, to guide you through the hardest steps, and set you on a path towards better life.
Right, but we are not alone as well. We also getting help, and to help you. And with us are great experts. One of them is Katia, who is an expert and teacher in yoga and meditation. Another expert is Denise Kelly, who is naturopathic nutritionist. So she will be able to do a consultations one-to-one as well after the retreat, and guide you through the nutrition, what you should eat, what you shouldn't eat. If you have a particular problem in your body, she is able to resolve this problem with nutrition. Here we can see my interest in natural healing as well. Although I am a medical practitioner, my great passion is natural healing, the natural abilities of a human body, human mind to heal, and this is how we come to making the retreat. I'm together with great people, and we are heartfully inviting you to check all the details and speak with us, chat to us. Don't be afraid, because we are open and ready to help. What you will get out of the retreat is, of course, balanced mind, balanced body, physical body, the emotional and the mental being as well. We will find out more about you. We want to know who you really are and who you actually want to be.
Yeah, what's important is that the experience will be tailored for each and every one of you personally.
Yes, we're working individually with each one of you. That's why it's only a small group of people, so we will have time to focus on each one of you and help you achieve what you really want to achieve in life. After the retreat, you won't be left alone. We are still here. We live in London and we are available over the phone and through social media. You can find us on Facebook, on Instagram. You can find also the discussions with Dennis Kelly and Katya. So please check this out, like and subscribe if you do, and we're waiting for your answer, for your call.
And join us on the retreat.
Definitely.